Hey there, welcome to another exciting episode of What's New in Turbo360. I'm Shrutivika and joining me today is Sona from the Turbo360 team. We're diving into the hottest releases and fresh features that Turbo360 has cooked up in the month of March. But before we jump into the exciting updates, for those who might be new here, let's quickly recap what Turbo360 is all about. Turbo360 is an advanced cloud management platform designed specifically for Microsoft Azure, offering a comprehensive suite of tools within the four modules shown. Turbo360 provides holistic monitoring, which is a unified solution to monitor, troubleshoot, and resolve issues in Azure resources. It also offers technical documentation that can help you transform the raw Azure metadata into informative insights based on workload, costs, and security. The business tracing module from Turbo 360 provides powerful analytics, operational insights, and monitoring capabilities for enhanced business tracing by offering a self service portal to end tracking of message flows between Azure integration services. Finally, the cost management module is a significant addition to our offerings. The module addresses the crucial aspect of Azure cost management. With Azure cost management capabilities, users can analyze, monitor, and optimize their spending and gain insights into resource utilization. Now, moving on to the next slide to see the latest product news and what's latest from the Turbo 360 community. This month, we have been busy bringing you valuable insights and resources to optimize your Azure experience. We have published YouTube videos on use cases like setting up budget alerts to stay informed when surpassing your Azure budgets and how to get notified when you have spike in your Azure spending using the anomaly detection features. And on the audio front, we have launched two new podcasts on FinOps on Azure. Tune in to hear from industry experts like Ahmed, the CTO at Quantica, and Rick, the CEO at Black Marble, as they share insights on Azure cost management and FinOps. Gain practical knowledge on handling unexpected expenses surges and understand the cultural shifts needed for effective cost management supported by tools and automations for ongoing optimization in Azure. And for all the avid readers out there, we have dropped in blogs and topics that can help you automatically generate Azure networking diagrams in a fully editable format and Azure cost analysis at the service name and meter level. Learn how you can get tailored Azure cost savings notifications and alerts. And also, in the interconnected world today, partnerships has become more crucial than ever, which not only fosters innovation but also creates new opportunities for growth and development. Read a blog post to know about the diverse range of partnerships we have formed with companies across the globe. You can check out the description box for all the links. I hope you find these resources handy, and now I'll hand it over to Sona to roll out the latest product features and give us a first hand look through a demo. Over to you, Sona.
Thanks for the update, Shruti. Hello everyone. Let me now walk you through the March release features. In Cost Analyzer module, we have included the metric called Available Memory Bytes for optimizing the sizing configurations of virtual machines. The module's next enhancement allows for customizing the virtual machine's right sizing recommendations based on its family. A new addition to the module is the inclusion of a resource type disks in the right sizing section. Next, in the Azure Documenter module, a new document type called Network Diagrams has been introduced. This feature enables users to visualize virtual networks along with their associated resources. Now, to understand better, I will brief the features with a demo. In the Cost Analyzer module, previously we did not have memory based right sizing for the virtual machines. Now we've brought in support for the same. There is a new metric called Available Memory Bytes. User can configure its segregation type and threshold just like any other metrics. Additionally, there's an option called Units which has three values bytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. These unit settings determine how the metric threshold is measured, leading to tailored recommendations based on these configurations. So for the virtual machine SL360, we've got downgrade recommendation based on the available memory bytes metric. So the next enhancement in the module includes family-based restriction for the virtual machines. In the right sizing settings section, for the virtual machines, we now have an option to restrict the recommendations within the family. So upon configuring this, only the recommendations within the family of the current SKU of the virtual machine will be displayed. This is also applicable to the virtual machine scale sets. So for this particular virtual machine, we can see that the recommendation has been restricted within the standard BS family. So the module's next feature is the support for unused disks. These are nothing but disks that are unattached or not associated with any of the virtual machine. It will be listed in the right sizing section of the module with an ideal recommendation. This feature assists users in identifying and removing unused disks, facilitating efficient cost cutting measures. Additionally, users can also view the resource utilization by clicking on the disk. Next, in the Azure Documenter module, a new document type called Network Diagrams has been introduced. Turbo360 analyzes the customer's Azure subscriptions and generates network diagrams, which helps in visualizing virtual network setup along with their associated resources. This diagram can be accessed through the raw.io tool. So here is a sample diagram that has already been generated. So here we have a virtual network that is linked to a subnet, which is further linked to a network interface, and which again is linked to network security group, public IP address, and a virtual machine. We have different tabs based on the subscriptions we've chosen to generate the document. So here you can see the virtual network setup along with its associated resources. On hovering upon the resource, you can find the metadata of the resource. So that is all about the demos. Now let's see what's in store for April. In the Turbo 360 website, we will be introducing a cost assessment tool which will generate personalized recommendations for optimizing the Azure cost. Another enhancement in the website is we will be bringing in support for comparing the virtual machine specifications along with its cost. In the Cost Analyzer module, we will be introducing workflows which will help in the cost optimization by running a set of tasks like cleaning unused storage blobs. Next in the module, we will be introducing three new resource types in the right sizing recommendations, namely application gateways, virtual networks, and IP addresses. Next in the BAM module, we will be able to configure additional filters that are based on properties for exception alert rules. In the Azure Documenter, the document preview functionality will allow users in picking a sample of what the document will contain after the generation. Next, we are focusing on bringing in document configuration groups. Drawing from the model of business application and cost analyzer, we aim to introduce grouping in Azure Documenter. This will enable organizing and managing configurations at a group level, aligning with the organization's hierarchy. So that is all about what's next in Turbo 360. Over to you, Shruti.
Thanks for the informative updates, Sona. So, for people interested in knowing about Turbo 360, do have a scan at this QR to get a personalized demo. You can also check out the description box for the links of the blogs, YouTube videos, men also have access to the release notes of the current and previous month features. Thank you.